कम बैक टू माई चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब। आज मैं लेकर आया हूँ एक नया सब्जेक्ट इकोनॉमिक्स। सो इकोनॉमिक्स इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट, माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स एंड मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स। माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स ऑल्सो नॉन एज प्राइस थ्योरी, इसको हम लोग प्राइस थ्योरी के नाम से भी जानते हैं। That is study of behavior of individuals, organization, consumers or firms. Focus is on small number of or group of units. Studies about product pricing, consumer behavior, factor pricing, economic condition of a section of people, behavior of firms, location of industry. Then in macroeconomics, we will study overall economic phenomena or economy as a whole. Focus is on total consumption, total saving and total investment. Studies about national income and national output, general price level and interest rate, balance of trade and bills, balance of payment, external value of currency, overall level of saving and investment, level of employment, rate of economic growth. Business economics is mainly concerned with microeconomics. Then there is a definition which is important, definition between positive science and normative science. Points: positives, a pure science developed by Robbins. Normative science developed by Alfred Marshall. Include what it is, what should be or ought to be, based on analysis, fact, realistic, and normative science based on ethics. Judgment does not involve value judgment, not give solution, and in the normative involves value judgment, gives solution. Nature descriptive, cause and effect relationship, while normative में प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव हो जाता है। एग्जाम्पल हो जाता है पॉजिटिव या प्योर साइंस में इंडिया इज़ ऑन ओवर पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री, और वही नॉर्मेटिव साइंस में हो जाता है फैमिली प्लानिंग शुड बी स्टार्टेड टू कंट्रोल पॉपुलेशन। नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स, इसको हम लोग एक कोड बना के समझ सकते हैं एज बीबी को पीन लगी तो बोले यूआई। B here is based on microeconomics. B is equal to business economics is a science. P is equal to pragmatic in approach. I incorporates elements of macro analysis, and here is normative in nature. B here is business economics is an art. Use of theory of markets and private enterprises, and I here is for interdisciplinary in nature. Business economics is generally normative or prescriptive in nature, दोनों है, ठीक है। Scope of business economics, two categories of business issues to which economic theories can be directly applied. Number one, microeconomics apply to operational or internal issues. Second, macroeconomics apply to environmental or external issues. Number one, microeconomics apply to operational और international issues. इसको आप इस तरह समझ सकते हैं, मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स अप्लाई टू इन्वायरमेंटल और एक्सटर्नल इश्यूज, ठीक है। समरी हो गया आपका। मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स इज ऑल्सो called as aggregate economics. Business economics is also referred as management economics, the applied economics. Microeconomics is price theory. Positive science, pure science. Positive science, descriptive. Normative science, prescriptive. Economics is the original auditical, whereas business economics is practical. Survival and success depends on sound decision made by the managers. Then नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है ये आपका फीचर्स मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमी, ठीक है।